Well, y'all, I've had to switch to my phone, and I just snapped my Gorgon in half out here, so let's see how this fares out. Let's try to aim for that grass. There's an Max on 6S, clearly. Let's launch it. Oh, I hit the brakes and nose bombed it. Damn, that was brutal. Holy shit. Well, she's got her clicking noise now. Not sure what that is, but let's try to hit this thing from back here. Didn't like I hadn't hit the power at the last second. It was brutal, but she worked. Try to go big. Let's try to go real big. No traffic coming, right? Oh! Break it. It broke the steering servo. No, it broke something. We broke something. What did we break? What did we break? Knocked the dog bone out the rear, that's all. How the hell did it do that? Well, let's go put that back together and keep jumping this thing. Hey, y'all, while fixing the Max, we got the hinge pin back in, but we got a cracked bulkhead on it. You can see it right there. Cracked bulkhead. We're going to throw it back together. Right, y'all, we got it back going for a second. Let me set this ramp back up real quick, see if we can launch it again a couple more times. All right, here we go. A couple more little hits. I've got bulkheads hanging on for dear life in there. With the body. Body ejecto. It just blew that body apart, it looked like. Body got any life left in it? Get on there, little buddy. You ain't hold left to you. Try it again, big dog. Try for some crazy flippies. Oh, and we landed that shit. Beautiful landing. That was sweet. Oh boy, hit the ramp. We just nailed like a quad, y'all. That was sick. Oh, right in the pavement. Damn it. Oh, damn, that was brutal. Slapped down hard. Holy crap. You live, Max? That was brutal, buddy. Holy shit, that was brutal. It appears he's still alive. Just come unplugged. Oh shit, car coming behind me. Go around the ramp, buddy. You don't want to hit that. You do not want to hit the big wooden ramp. Yep, see me here? Go around me. That's my neighbors that don't like me too. That ought to go well. Oh shit, about wrecked. Oh shit. shit. Whoops. Oh shit. What the hell was that? Oh shit. Car, don't hit the ramp. Yep, don't hit the ramp, car. You don't want to do that. What the fuck happened? I don't know what in the world I hit on that last one, but it was not nice. Uh-oh, that car coming. We're gonna have to call it quits after this one, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on, let's block this ramp. If you ain't doing something you love, y'all, you're doing something wrong. Until next time, peace out. Getting dark, somebody's gonna get hit, car's gonna get hit, something's gonna get hit. We got to go. Love y'all.